An industrial lawnmower in Parrish off Rye Road tore a manhole cover off of its mount. That would not be news, except that a deer got stuck inside the hole. Wildlife Incorporated and Dr. Bill Bystrom of Island Animal Clinic rescued this white-tailed buck that found himself trapped. It took a few shots of a tranquilizer to calm the deer down, just long enough for the crew to pull him out of the hole. It took some strategy, as the rescuers have never really encountered this situation before.
We've had deer in some odd situations before, but this is probably the tightest space that we've ever had a injured deer or a deer that's needed rescued. We've never had anything this odd before.
It took the buck nearly an hour before the medication wore off. He was released and stumbled off into the woods. He was a little bit shaken, but otherwise he only had a few scrapes, and it wasn't too bad of a deal. The rescuers do amazing things with animals that find themselves in these very precocious situations.
All right. Well, we're looking at some cold weather.